I said cooking, I meant to say baking.
Okay, I switched from a traditional whisk and mixing bowl to a KitchenAid mixer, and I am going to mix this on low, high for 2 minutes. So number 4. Hey. Pull this off. Lift this. There we go. There we go. Take this off. Take that off. Get everything off this whisk. Get as much of it off as possible. It's not all going to come off, and that's okay. Get all of it off of this. Do not lick this because it is full of raw eggs. Raw eggs are not good for you. As a matter of fact, almost raw anything isn't good for you. It's good to cook as much of your baking stuff as possible.
I'm wiping down the counter to keep my workspace clean.
And then take this off.
I take this time to make sure my camera is still recording.
Scrape as much off as possible. Good enough. I just want all the sprinkles. Okay. It's all in there. Okay. It's all in there. Now, where is my oh, it's not there. Oh, there it is. Oh, that might be too big. Too big. This one. Medium size one. Okay. Move this over. This sink. Okay. Move this over. This here. Use this. Pour it in. To 350 degrees, it will be left in there for 4.
My microphone picks up everything.
11 minutes.
Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording, but as you can see, it is done baking